Automatic can sealing machine is suitable for sealing cans made of iron, aluminum, plastic, paper, and tin. It is an ideal packing equipment for pet food, seafood, canned meat, milk powder, paint and other industries. It can be equipped with filling machine, labeling machine, encasing machine, etc. for a complete production line. At the same time, it can also be equipped with additional fresh-keeping devices, such as vacuum pump and nitrogen filling. Equipment characteristics. The roller seal device with 4 rollers. The seaming head is quenched with chromium-12 molybdenum vanadium. The hardness is more than 50 degrees, and the service life is more than 1 million cans. The hub material is SKD Japanese special mold steel, with a lifespan of more than 5 million seals. There is a cover alarm and missing cover alarm function. Lids cans missing, and fault detection shutdown. Sealing diameter 545 130 mm. Sealing height 60-220 mm. The mold needs to be changed to change the caliber, and the replacement time is about 40 minutes. Touchscreen interface, PLC control, intelligent operation, easy to understand. For more details or other pressing screwing cap equipment, please contact me.